The deep ocean hides deadly secrets scientists are only beginning to uncover. One discovery could change everything we know about life on Earth. Dark oxygen is a mysterious gas found deep under the sea, invisible, silent, and potentially lethal to all living creatures. Unlike regular oxygen, this strange form reacts violently when released, suffocating marine life instantly. What happens if it escapes? The CIA has been investigating dark oxygen for decades, studying its potential risks in secret underwater labs and deep-sea expeditions. Why keep such a discovery secret? Because this gas might trigger the next global extinction event, wiping out species rapidly. We dive into the ocean's darkest trenches, where no sunlight reaches, and where this deadly gas is believed to accumulate in vast quantities. Oxygen is essential for life, but this dark oxygen defies the rules, a silent killer lurking beneath the waves. If released suddenly, this gas could cause mass die-offs in marine life and spread deadly effects across ecosystems worldwide. Scientists warn that climate change and underwater volcanic activity may trigger this catastrophic release, accelerating global disaster. Governments and intelligence agencies reportedly monitor these threats closely, but public awareness remains almost zero. How real is this danger? Recent mysterious die-offs of fish and sea creatures suggest something terrifying may be underway. Underwater sensors detect unusual chemical changes near deep trenches, raising fears of an imminent release of dark oxygen. This gas is colorless, odorless, and invisible, making it nearly impossible to detect without sophisticated equipment. The CIA allegedly possesses technology to track dark oxygen levels, but the information is classified and not shared publicly. Some insiders claim that secret experiments could accidentally trigger a release, increasing global risk exponentially. The ocean's depths are one of the last frontiers of mystery, and dark oxygen might be its deadliest secret. What caused past mass extinctions? Some experts believe gases like dark oxygen played a major role in Earth's history. Rising ocean temperatures disturb delicate layers, potentially releasing trapped gases that have been stable for thousands of years. Deep-sea volcanic eruptions might also cause sudden bursts, threatening life above and below the water's surface. This hidden gas could suffocate marine life first, but the deadly effects might spread to land animals and humans. Whistleblowers warn that the truth about dark oxygen is being suppressed to avoid panic and economic collapse. How do scientists measure this gas? Advanced underwater drones and deep-sea labs gather data in extreme conditions. Despite dangers, the deep ocean remains understudied, and many discoveries like dark oxygen catch the world by surprise. The next mass extinction event might not come from space or nuclear war, but from the ocean itself. Prepare yourself as we uncover the terrifying story of dark oxygen, the underwater secret that could threaten all life. Imagine a gas so deadly, it kills without a sound, without a trace, spreading silently through the ocean like a virus. This isn't science fiction. It's the reality hidden miles beneath the ocean's surface, where light never reaches and pressure crushes steel. Dark oxygen doesn't burn. It corrodes. It breaks down organic matter. It turns entire ecosystems into ghost zones within minutes.
What is that?
I don't know.
Insiders say the probe was destroyed within seconds, its hull corroded, no signs of explosion, only internal system failure.
Why would the CIA risk deep dives in such hostile zones? Because what lies below could threaten nations, not just marine life. Satellite surveillance has picked up abnormal thermal activity near deep-sea rift zones. Experts say it's the gas, heating up under pressure. If the pressure is released, it could shoot upwards, breaching surface waters and releasing toxic clouds into the atmosphere. The last time something like this happened, over 90% of marine life vanished, during the Permian extinction. Whistleblower files leaked in 2021 suggest the CIA knew about dark oxygen decades ago, but chose silence over global panic. The documents reveal secret black-budget operations under Project Deep Veil, focused entirely on neutralizing deep-sea chemical anomalies. Why name it Veil? Because the goal wasn't to stop it, it was to cover it up. Imagine billions spent not on stopping a threat, but hiding it, From scientists, from media, from you. Fishermen in Japan, Chile, and Norway have reported strange mass die-offs and boiling bubbles from the seafloor. One captain claimed he saw birds fall from the sky as his ship crossed through an invisible gas trail. Experts were sent to investigate. They returned sick, disoriented, and unable to explain what they'd seen. Their footage, sealed by intelligence agencies under the guise of National Environmental Security. In 2022, a research vessel off the Pacific disappeared near an unstable trench. No reiki, no signal, no answers. Was it swallowed by the ocean, or silenced by something buried beneath it? Dark oxygen may already be leaking in small doses. Rising global fish mortality isn't random. It's the start of something bigger. Some scientists believe we're in the early stages of another extinction event, driven not by humans, but by nature itself. Yet humans may be speeding it up, with oil drilling, seabed mining, and underwater detonations disturbing ancient toxic layers.
Corporations ignore warnings. Profits come first.
But nature doesn't care about money, only balance. The ocean has always regulated our planet's climate. But what happens when it turns against us? When the ocean fights back, it doesn't roar. It whispers. And by the time we hear it, it's already too late. Dark oxygen is no longer a secret. It's a hidden threat lurking beneath oceans, waiting to unleash a global disaster. Scientists warn that immediate global action is needed to monitor and control this deadly underwater gas. Although detection technology exists, lack of funding and political will slow down essential research and safety measures. Ignoring this threat risks catastrophic collapse of ecosystems, impacting food chains and breathable air worldwide. The deep sea is connected to all life on Earth. Damaging it risks irreversible extinction for many species, including humans. History tells us mass extinctions happen from sudden environmental shifts. Dark oxygen could be the next deadly trigger. Government secrecy only fuels fear and confusion. Transparency is vital for saving lives and planning prevention. The CIA's secret involvement highlights the seriousness of this threat and the need for global accountability. Raising public awareness is the first step to breaking silence and forcing urgent action on this underwater menace. Every effort counts, from better policies to protecting marine habitats and reducing harmful seabed activities. Coastal communities must prepare for possible emergencies caused by sudden releases of this toxic gas. Scientists keep exploring ocean depths, racing against time to understand and mitigate this deadly threat. Innovative technologies could help neutralize pockets of dark oxygen before it spreads uncontrollably across seas. But success depends on global cooperation. Ignoring the problem could be humanity's gravest mistake. Dark oxygen is nature's warning, a signal urging us to respect and protect our planet's fragile balance. Ignoring this silent ocean threat endangers all life, including humans, animals, and marine ecosystems. This story is more than science. Our future depends on understanding the deep sea's mysteries and acting before it's too late. The next mass extinction could begin in the deep ocean. Will we be ready to face it? Share this knowledge, demand transparency, and support efforts to conserve and protect our oceans. Together, we can prevent a global catastrophe and maintain. The ocean gave us life. It's time to protect its deepest secrets for future generations. Dark oxygen waits silently beneath the waves, but hope and action remain powerful tools for survival.